Teal, known as the Queen of the South.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This truck.
Ooh, that thing's pretty. Is that the same box? Or a different one?
Different box.
Wow. Man, that's nice. And you built this? That's killer.
I to build the box.
Okay. Yeah, you installed everything. Wow. Wow. You did a good job keeping it clean, man. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. How big is the box? Like, if you got, do you know the cubes on the box?
I don't know. You gotta ask someone.
Justin. Wow. Is it that heavy? You have to hold it?
Let go a little bit.
What do y'all got in here? Concrete or? Man, this thing's not. Hey, thank you for showing me. Are those 10s? 10-inch ports.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got it right this time.
Any crack yet? Everything's good.
Everything's good. She's solid.
Awesome. That's
It's that golf wrap.
Yeah. Are you cooling off? Can I get a demo? All right. Oh, your doors are heavy. Queen of the South. Queen of the South theme everywhere is beautiful. Man, you keeping everything intact this time?
Yeah. We had no problem.
Everything, nothing breaking apart. That's awesome.
We
Man.
had one window issue back in September, and that was it.
Okay. So before we get the demo, your name and what's in here. Say what you want. Go.
I'm Teal, also known as the Queen of the South. All right, we got 8 level 6 15s on 2 DC audio pit bulls. On the highs and mids, we got 5 250.4s. On, let me see, 12 VEX 10s and 20 VEX 8s and 16 DC audio horns. We're running 3 300 XXLs
Okay.
for the alts, and we're running 240 amp hour on battery power.
And the battery's underneath here.
Battery's right there.
Right here. Okay, on the box. Wow. Man. You installed everything.
Yes, I did.
Man, that's a lot of work. All right. And this is what year Escalade?
This is a 2007.
2007, okay. And you're able to open these doors up to actually be able to have a staging outside play concert as well as stage it inside. Wow. Who built the door panels? This looks nice.
Jean Chubard.
Okay. Russia. Wow, okay. Very nice. They look clean and good. You even got panels up here for Queen of the South. Wow.
Jacob.
Can you hold it? Can she hold it while you move for a second?
Oh, Lord.
There we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, thumbnail's everything. You know how that is. I can show just the subs unless people click it.
Right.
And I show her Hot Wheels, her hot car, and the subs. They're like, I want to see that. You know what I mean? Wow.
What do you say? Hold on.
You're good. Crazy, man. Woo! You know, for the amount of pressure, you can hear the lyrics clear, like.
That was the plan.
The higher frequency note,
Right.
clear, and the mid-range tweeters, everything. Man, you did a good job. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop